Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to create a custom list on WhatsApp so you can organize your contacts and send messages more efficiently. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device and make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. This is important because some features might not appear if your app is outdated. Once the app is updated, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. From there, scroll down and look for the option called Custom List. Tap on it to get started. Here you can name your custom list and, for example, family, friends, or work contacts, whatever makes it easier for you to organize. After naming the list, simply add the people you want to include by selecting their contacts from your WhatsApp list. And that's it! Your custom list is now ready to use. You can quickly send messages to everyone in the list without having to select each contact individually. This is perfect for group announcements, reminders, or just keeping in touch with your important contacts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.